In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an A5 size here in Canva. Now, once you're logged in, you want to come up to create a new design. If we click on there, we then want to use the search bar and type in A5. Now we can choose this A5 document just here, and now we have our A5 size, which we can now design on. Now, if you're wondering what the measurements are, for an A5 size document, if we come over to Google, we can actually see the A5 size paper measures 148 times 210 millimeters or 5.8 inches times 8.3. Now it's also, if we come back over to here and go to File, we can see that in centimeters, that's 14.8 times 21. But that's just how easy it is to create an A5 size document here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like and a subscribe, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.